Welcome all my grade 5 students. A very warm good morning to all of you. Hope all of you are doing well at your home. Children, today we are going to discuss the new topic, the world of plants and animals. Children, plants and animals have played an important role in human life for as long as they have all existed. In this module, we will come to know some interesting facts about them. So, let's proceed. Aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are the plants that have adapted to living in aquatic environments, whether it is salt water or fresh water. Plants close their stomata to retain water. However, aquatic plants always keep their stomata open. Cuticles are either thin or absent in aquatic plants, as the main function of these structures is to prevent loss of water. Now we will talk about underwater leaves and stems. The flat leaves on the surface of water enable aquatic plants to float. Lotus plant has light roots. Underwater leaves and stems help aquatic plants to move with the water currents. And children, the roots of aquatic plants can take up oxygen from the water. Believe it or not. Children, do you know grey wolves are the most widespread land mammals in the world after humans and livestock? In this topic, we will discuss about different unknown facts of different animals. Like camels have 3 eyelids, and birds of prey, also known as raptors, that have hooked beaks. The killer whale, also known as orca, is actually a type of dolphin. Orcas are the largest member of dolphins family. Killer whales are found in all oceans. Crocodile are reptiles. They have sharp teeth. Crocodiles are carnivores. They eat meat instead of drinking water. Crocodiles soak it into their body through their skin. Other interesting fact is an adult gorilla is about 1 meter tall to their shoulders when walking on all fours using their arms and their legs. Giraffes are ruminants, which means that they have more than one stomach. And another fact is a male cat is called a tom, whether a female cat is called a molly or queen, and the young ones of the cats are called kittens. Now let's discuss about some flightless birds. At first we will discuss about cassowary. This heavyweight class bird is a native of Australia. It has a colorful helmet and plush black feather. Its claw can grow up to 4 inches long on the middle toe of each foot. Kiwi. Kiwi has a hidden vestigial wings and soft hair like feathers. Vestigial means that underdeveloped feathers. Unlike other birds, it has its nostrils on the tip of its bills instead of at the base. Penguin. Penguin has short legs and stocky build, which gives it a distinctive wading walk. This bird spends a majority of its time in swimming and diving. The other one is takai. This mid-sized colorful bird of New Zealand has bright blue and green plumage and a red bill. It can live up to 20 years. It is also a flightless bird. There are various species currently in danger of extinction. Most of them are caused directly or indirectly by humans. Climate change, destruction of their habitat, illegal hunting, etc. The remaining population of giant panda species less than 2500 is found in China. They can spend up 10 to 12 hours a day feeding. They can eat from 20 to 30 pounds of bamboo every day, but their numbers are very less. Just like that, Asian elephants are also endangered animals because they are inhabitants of 13 countries with nearly 50% of their population concentrated in India alone. But they are hunted by the hunters for their skin, their teeth, and all other body parts. Other animals that are in danger are blue whale, that is known as the largest animal on the planet with less than 25,000 of them surviving in the world. Tigers are also in danger. Approximately 4,000 of tigers are left in the wild due to human activities that includes destruction of their habitat and illegal hunting. Other endangered species are blue whale, that is the largest animal on the planet with less than 25,000 of them surviving in the world. The conservation of endangered species is important for humans. So it's our responsibility to be aware and protect these endangered species for a better and balanced life. So that's all we have in this chapter. I hope you enjoyed this module and gathered a lots of unknown facts and informations of different endangered species. That's all for now. Take care all of you. Thank you.